Anyhow, and welcome to the vlog. Well, unfortunately, after everything I did to the Kohler Commander, that's what this is going to be. It's around the house, and I'm working on the yard tractor. It died again, and I haven't been able to get it started. to start. So, unfortunately, I got to troubleshoot it back again. I've got to pull that cover back off. Not happy about, but I'm gonna try certain little things here to see if I can troubleshoot it again. And I'm gonna spray some good old ether in here. I don't know. I'm suspecting the fuel, because fortunately poured some. I think I poured some bad gas in there. I'm not getting ignition, so that's something. That's something else. So could have foul plugs. It is possible. Okay. I've been looking up parts for this thing. All right, I'll pull that cover back off again. Screws and stuff. Kept everything in my bag. Oh, let me bring my bag down. Again, I just pull the fuel, quote, fuel pump. And that's gotta come off of there. It's gonna get ready to rain again. I mean, on and off thing here. And this is a Kohler CV 22S. Right on there. And that is a low voltage regulator. Good on this side. Other side. Yeah. It's attached with the starter bolt. Starter bolt. Starter bolt there. Back out. Because the doggone screw is right behind right behind the dipstick. Start. See it now, about a mile. The rain Rain wall's about a mile and a half away. Probably just enough time to get this cover off before it starts coming down again. I actually got the 100 feet of extension cord down here reach, so I can put the battery charger on. Alright, there we go. Okay. Yank that right off of here. There you go. You leave the voltage regulator right on there. Inside the cover. Alright. Starting to rain. Nice and wet the other night because I didn't put a cover over it. I should have. Yep, it's coming. Misting. Coming this way. Alright. Let's get the tarp back over it. That's all I'm going to be able to do right now. So I got the cover off, check the coils, and I don't know, I think I might have problems with the coils. Then again, it may not be the coils. I'm not messing with fuel right now. I want to find a part numbers and stuff for that. Yep, see the wall of water? It's coming.